Como Sava YouTube? Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics. Boy, listen, got called out in Shedwars because I'm a level 1 member. Um, to reach level 2, I need to grow so many pounds of onions. Well, we're way out of date on the onions. We normally plant onions somewheres November, December. Um, but look, we're gonna give it a shot. What happened was we bought the onion starts to plant, stuck them in some pot and soil in the bundles. I think that's 250 in a bundle. We stuck them in the pot and soil and never messed with them. Look, that's what we got. Pay out. That's one bundle I was hitting here, breaking them out the bundle. That's the other bundle. That's what they look like. We just stuck them in the pot and soil. In fact, you might have seen them in a couple of the other videos. They were just sitting in the old wheelbarrow in the front with the ginger in it. But I'm breaking them apart and I'm gonna stick them in the ground, see what happens. Got a couple of them that's already starting to bulb. Not sure what's gonna happen with them. Not sure what's gonna happen with any of them, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant them and So there you go. We have 75 plants in the ground. Think we have to make 20 pounds of onions. It's real late. Was a lot easier to plant than planting all them little bitty ones. But yeah, we can see what it does at this time of year. It might be something that works out for us, at least for this year. You know, we need, I think it's 20 pounds to move up to the next level. But that's what we got going on. Let's see what it does. South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. Y'all grow that later.